Hi guys, Bobby D here. Today I'm going to do a how-to video, and that's how to add end screens to your YouTube videos. Now in 2019, YouTube changed the way you do this, and there are still a ton of people not changing their end screens. And if your channel is monetized, you are just throwing money away by not having this done, because you get two chances for people to click on your videos by having an end screen. So it's really important that you do this. I've just gone through about 70 of my videos that I didn't have end screens on and have put them on. It's taken me days, but it's really important that you do it, guys, that you add those end screens because YouTube like it. It's going to help you rank better, and if you're monetized, it's going to help you get more money and more subscribers. So what I'm going to show you today, guys, is how to add YouTube end screens, which are going to help you rank better and make more money and more subs. Now, we do this in the YouTube editor, and I'll show you how to do it. It's super easy. And once you do that, you're just going to do that every single time you upload a video, and that way you're going to make more money, more subs, more everything. And it's an absolute must to grow your channel. Now, before we get on with that, guys, can you do me a favor? Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you get to see my latest videos first, all about making money or affiliate reviews. I upload them every day, and I want you guys to be part of that team, part of my mission to make everybody money online. So that's it. Let's get on, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to make these end screens. Okay guys, so what you need to do, there's two ways of doing this. So the first one is you click this big button here that says YouTube beta. It currently is in beta format, but that works. Or the other way you do it is you just go up to here, click your channel and click YouTube beta there. So once you've done that, click YouTube beta, and that will take you to your next screen, which is going to come up now. And then what you need to do is go to videos on the left hand side. Under your dashboard, you've got videos, so just click the video tab, and then it takes you to all your videos that are here. You can see there and go through them all. And then all you want to do, so let's just, for an example, we'll click this one. So we're going to open this video, and then down on the left hand side, you're going to have a box that says studio, which is here just under details. You've got details, analytics, and then click the editor button. And now this takes you into the YouTube editing software. Now, I don't use this normally for editing. I use ScreenFlow 8, or I used to use Screencast-O-Matic, but this is actually really good. And it's simple to use. So once you go into the editor, as long as you haven't got an end screen already, which I haven't on this video, it just says here add end screen or add blur. So we'll click add end screen, and then you're going to get an option of some end screens. So you've got nothing, obviously you don't want that. You've got one video or one playlist and a subscribe. So that means one video means a box will come up with one of your videos in it for people to click on and a subscribe button. One video or playlist and a subscribe, or two videos or playlists. Now I always go for that one. Okay. You then get the options of what do you want in here. Most recent upload that you've done, the best for viewer, or a specific video. So you can do that and pick the one you want. Now I often pick the ones I want because these are the ones that have a better chance of me making money, and they're usually my own program. So I'll click those two. Now they are now the end screen for that video, and all you do is hit save. So we'll go back to there now. So that is it there. Let's hit the play.
Hi guys, Bobby D here from Bobby D.
And then we'll just scroll to the end and I'll show you how it works. It's me not looking very good.
Well, I've just spent £6.99.
And they come up there. And then you can click on one of these and it will take you to that video. So that is it. That is a simple way of doing. So that's a simple way of doing end screens that work really well. Sometimes it's easier than using other software. It's all built in, and the YouTube editor is just going to get better and better. So I recommend that you use that. So that's it, guys, from me. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Please hit the subscribe, and I'll catch you later.